Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic addition to the world of home cleaning technology, the E10+GR robot vacuum and mop with self-emptying capabilities and advanced Lidar navigation. We found this product online and have included a link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. The E10+GR is designed to take the hassle out of keeping your floors spotless. This innovative robot vacuum not only vacuums but also mops, making it a versatile cleaning companion for your home. Its self-emptying feature means you won't have to worry about emptying the dustbin after every cleaning session. This robot does it for you, allowing for up to 75 days of hands-free cleaning. One of the standout features of the E10+GR is its powerful suction capability. With a maximum suction of 8,000 pascals, it can easily tackle dirt, debris, pet hair, and even stubborn stains. It offers 4 adjustable power modes, ensuring that whether you're cleaning hard floors or thick carpets, you have the right level of suction to get the job done efficiently. The Lidar navigation system is another impressive feature of this robot vacuum. It maps your home in real time, allowing it to navigate and clean in an organized pattern. This means no missed spots and a thorough clean every time. Plus, you can set no-go zones, so the vacuum avoids areas you want to keep off limits, like pet bowls or delicate furniture. So, who is the E10+GR suitable for? If you're a busy professional, a parent juggling multiple responsibilities, or a pet owner dealing with constant shedding, this robot vacuum is a game-changer. It provides a reliable cleaning solution that fits seamlessly into your lifestyle, giving you more time to focus on what matters most. Now, let's talk about some practical use cases. Imagine coming home after a long day to clean floors, thanks to the E10+GR. You can schedule cleanings to happen while you're out, and with the self-emptying feature, you won't need to worry about it until it's time for a refill. If you have kids, you'll appreciate how it tackles messes quickly, from crumbs in the kitchen to muddy paw prints in the living room. And for those with allergies, the powerful suction and thorough cleaning reduce dust and allergens, creating a healthier home environment. In conclusion, the E10+GR robot vacuum and mop combines convenience, power, and smart technology to keep your home clean with minimal effort. Its innovative features make it an excellent choice for anyone looking to simplify their cleaning routine. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.